Nasisisi ba kayo dun sa mga kanta nyo?
Yes po. Sobra po.
Bakit ka ba, Ros? Hanapan mo ng gamot na hiyang. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng hiyang? You guys are so sipag. There's no boutique here. I don't know how to angulo my face, alright?
Sabi ni Jo, siya lang daw yung may concert.
Pag diskitahan. Ano yun? Iso, tamad-tamad na.
Ang hanghang po talaga, masakit po sa tongue. Pero it's okay.
What's saluyot? So sarap, I swear. It's so sarap. As in, each episode, sobrang nakakabitin. Nakakabitin. Bitin. Ay, tigil-tigilan mo ako.
Can we talk about strings though? Did you guys miss that?
Have you tried kangkong? Kangkong is the, diba? Cousin of lettuce. Cousin ng kangkong is talbos bear. I don't know what talbos is. This is so nakakanto. You have to make bantay dito, bantay dyan. Bakit ba merong ano dito? Hindi ko maibalik yung time na nawala sa parents, na nawala sa pag-suspend. Ano yung bashala? The houses are sinking, like it's not pantay. Maybe I'll have more gana to cook. Sari manok! What's that? I always make linis. I need to make aral lyrics na pala in these kind of situations in life.
Ano ka na sigaw?
So, depende na lang sa'yo if you're going to make patol. What's bugambilya? The grado of my glasses is...
Sometimes a headache sa akin. Sobrang annoying niya minsan.
Are you like making contra? Sana ganito lagi. Thank you, Lord. Parang milagro. Milagro? Wait, tama ba? Milagro? Milagro?